Hey guys, Travel Center, and today we went to the Verizon store and we picked up a little something new. So if you didn't see the last unboxing, we did a XS Max unboxing. So I'll have that linked up here in a little box. But today we've got the iPhone XR. This is a phone that came out last year. It was a little bit delayed because it wasn't fully passed by the FCC yet. But when they confirmed it, it came out in like November, something like that. But yeah, so this is the white iPhone XR, 128 gigs. Pretty basic stuff. So right here, if you look at the front, it's the front of the phone. On the side here, we got iPhone, another Apple logo, iPhone, and on top there's another Apple logo. On the back here, we do have our information. Yeah, that's basically about it. Basically what comes in the box, stuff like that. So, yeah, so on the bottom here, we got a little pull tab, and you just pull up real nice. Oof. Alright, so and we get the box. Bang. So like the other new iPhones, we are not presented with the phone immediately. We have to have some more anticipation. Not like the box was enough. But here we are brought with Designed by Apple in California. This is a little pamphlet. And right here we are granted with the iPhone XR. So this is the white version. Pretty nice. I'm going to leave the plastic on it for right now because I do have a case and screen protector to go with it. But I don't want any fingerprints on it, so we're going to go ahead and keep that off to the side. In this envelope here, we do have a couple things. So we do have our quick start guide. So this basically tells about the iPhone and its new features, so like Face ID and stuff like that. Swipe up to go home. We do have a SIM ejection tool. Not a whole lot of phones have this in the iPhone nowadays, but this one does come with it. We do have our regulatory information, and of course our favorite, the Apple stickers. I mean, it's better than the phone. Like, you guys know that. If you guys know, watch the channel, you know the Apple stickers are always the best part. I mean, that's why I've got like a whole stack of Apple stickers right here that came with iPads. I mean, like, you just have to have them. It's a necessity in life, honestly. So while we get that, we're just going to take a look at a couple of the accessories. So here we got our standard 5-watt USB power brick. We've also got our EarPods with lightning connector, but we don't get the adapter anymore. They stopped including that starting this year. And of course, I'm not going to take it out, but our lightning cable. And all these are wrapped in paper, even power brick. This is an Apple's effort to stop using plastic and use recycled materials. Same with this box. Alright, so now that we have that, let's talk a little bit about the phone here. So this is the iPhone XR. It's a 6.1 inch liquid crystal display, or liquid retina, sorry. And basically, so this is not OLED, it's an LCD panel. But it's a specific type of LCD panel that allows for these curves to happen in the phone, unlike an OLED. So if you have any questions, basically this will not give you true blacks like an OLED will, but you know, it's just as good. So it does come with Face ID. It does have that slim border or bezel on it. And then this is the white colorway. With of course one camera. Honestly, it's a pretty nice phone. I was talking with someone in the comments in the XS Max video, and they asked me, you know, I'm probably going to get a XR. Why should I get a XR over a XS or a XS Max? Really, it's a cheaper price. You're basically getting the same thing. The only difference is you're getting one less camera on the back. You're getting an LCD over an OLED panel. But it's a little bit bigger of a screen. It's really an in-between, so it's actually a nice hold. It's really nice size. So if you don't like that too small of a form factor on the XS, but you don't like the really big size of the XS Max, this is great size. A really great buy. And I'd say for a lot of people, this is really going to sell. Some on the fact. And it's not a bad camera. You get all the features. And then also with this, you don't get 3D touch. They took it out for this. That's what makes the phone just a little bit cheaper. But you know, I don't think a whole lot of people have used that. I'd say for some people that are going from a 6 to this, they're like, what's 3D touch? It's because they don't know. And honestly, I don't think a whole lot of people would bother about that. So all you really do is long press on it. Basically the same thing. But yeah, this phone, it's a great phone. It's a great buy. So just like I said, if you're looking to get a new phone, and you're like, I don't know if I should get the 10R or the 10S, this is definitely the phone to get. It's a great phone, and a great buy at, you know, an Apple decent price. So yeah, so this is the iPhone 10R in white, 128 gigabytes. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want to see any more content like this or of anything else really that's not Apple, we can check it out. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe to the channel for that. Like the video if you did like it, and comment if you have any questions. I'll have the link to buy this in the description down below from Apple, and of course my 2 accessories here that I've got with it. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.